Setting up iCloud after signing up is essential for managing your Apple devices and keeping your data synchronized. Follow these steps to complete your iCloud setup. Step 1. Access Settings. Open the Settings app on your Apple device. This is where you will manage your iCloud settings and preferences. Step 2. Sign into iCloud. Before changing your settings, use the /com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Enable iCloud services. Once signed in, you will see a list of iCloud services. Toggle on the features you want to use, such as photos, contacts, calendars, and iCloud Drive, to ensure your data is backed up and synchronized across devices. Step 4. Configure iCloud storage. Tap on iCloud and then manage storage to view a current storage plan. Here, you can upgrade your storage if needed or manage what data is being stored in iCloud. Step 5. Set up two-factor authentication. For added security, enable two-factor authentication. Go back to your Apple ID settings, select Password and Security, and follow the prompts to set it up. This will help protect your account from unauthorized access. Now that you have completed the setup, you can enjoy the benefits of iCloud, keeping your data safe and accessible across all your devices.